imagine this is the third time I'm recording this particular video. Like because it happens, right? While doing a YouTube recording, you have to keep, you know, the kind of effort behind every vlog that we see on, behind every video that we see on YouTube is remarkable. Yeah, it's only when you begin doing your own YouTube recordings you realize that. So people, like I said, I've been watching a lot of these different international shows and YouTube channels also. So there is this particular channel called Slice and Rice, and it's run by this couple. The girl is a Korean and the guy is, he has Filipino blood, but he's basically an Afro American. So it is so interesting. Yeah, I mean, in terms of in case you want to get a peek into life in America through the eyes of a biracial couple, this is the channel to follow. Uh, and they have, like, I think 100K subscribers, and every video gets around like uh, 800 comments, 1000 comments, and it's just long videos. They put up 20-minute long videos, half an hour long videos, and they're just telling us about how they met and how they, because what I understand after seeing the channel is human nature is such, we are very interested to know about what is happening in other people's lives. There's that word voyeuristic, I think, voyeuristic. So that's what human nature is. So a channel like that is, it's quite different. So you can do check it out, people. It's called Slice and Rice, and it's a very cute couple channel that you can follow. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.